our beef. Oh, whore. Son of a bitch. Fuck! Shit! Spilling egg all over the place. God damn it. Cock-sucking piece of shit fucking whorebagging motherfucking. It's alright, it's alright. A little bit of mess never hurt no more, no how. God damn it. Motherfucker. That's okay, dog. That should do it. Son of a bitch. Made a fucking mess all over the fucking counter. It was easy to clean up. 1 second. Goddamn motherfucking. I got a spare towel that I use for cleaning messes. It's gonna have to be disinfected with bleach when I'm done. Son of a bitch, you two. Meals are dumbed down on the heat, but there's just enough spiciness to tinkle your tongues. Really delicious, meaty treats, YouTube. Simply decadent. YouTube, best goddamn meatloaf I ever had, dude. Holy shit. A barbecue sauce, a cheese in the middle, yes please. A bacon. That's fully cooked. Want a cross section of where I cut it? Yes. Look at that sexiness, YouTube. That layer of bacon and cheese right there. Also the cheese and the sour cream and onion sauce on top. Popping with flavor, dude. I'm really happy with the way that meatloaf turned out. I'm gonna be eating good for the next couple of days. Ooh, that is some goddamn good meatloaf. One big ass bite for the fans. You know what's up, tubes. Yes. Dude. Oh my god, that is fucking good.